I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove an old payment method from Discord using the Discord website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to discord.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Discord home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon in the menu at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the billing settings section. Click to expand billing and then click payment methods in this section. This is where you'll see all of the payment methods that are currently set up to be used with your Discord account. Step 4. Find the specific old payment method you want to delete on the right side of the screen and then click Edit associated with that option. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then click Delete Payment Method. That specific payment method will be deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.